Hello and welcome to Keydrawn Configuration Tool tutorial. To make the watching easier, it will be divided into several videos. In the first video, we're going to talk about the default window overview. This is how the application looks like when you start it. At the top, there is a menu ribbon with 5 items. The first one is File. When I click on it, list menu pops up and you can see 4 items here. Save and load items are used to save or load the current state of the window. The third item is close current port, where it is currently inactive, and we'll discuss this one in detail when we actually come up to the working with the device. And the fourth item is exit, which basically turns off your application. The next main menu item is configurations. Here you can see a bigger pop-up menu, a list of 7 items. These items switch between the tabs of the main window. If you take a look at the window, you can't see any tab control. This is because the headers are actually collapsed and are implemented here. The third item is settings with messages option, where you can set messages, and phones, where you set phones. You probably noticed that phones item is currently inactive. Here I'll make a short note that everything regarding GSM configurations is currently disabled, but will be surely implemented in future. The fourth item is board data. Again, this one is inactive and will be discussed when we come up to working with the device. And the fifth item is help, with general view help and about items. Below the menu ribbon, you can see there is a status bar. On the left of the status bar, you can see a caption describing what is happening and what are you able to do in the current tab. On the right of the status bar, you can see there is a combo box. The default selected item is select COM port. So this combo box is used to select COM port. If you click on it, you will see the list of all available COM ports. Below the status bar, there is an actual tab control, which, as I mentioned, has collapsed headers. Here you set all the general configurations which uses your device. The currently selected tab is set tab, and this tab control is the same for all other tabs. So we will discuss it now and won't repeat it later. The first item is digital out. It is just one combo box with several items. Here you can see channels channels group box with 3 channels configurations. Right next to them there are timers, 8 timers with their combo boxes. Right to them there is a phone group box, and below there is messages with messages combo box. Below the tab control, by the way, this field changes when you switch between different tabs, and the other controls do not. So below the tab control there is one more bar. On the left there is a text box with a generated command. This text box is read-only, meaning that you can't actually clear any symbol, delete, or enter your desired symbols. This is made for safety reasons, for you not to enter wrong generated commands. But you can copy, for example, the command and paste it to any text file or any way you like. On the right there is a send button. It is currently inactive because no COM port is selected. Below this bar there is a board reply buffer. where all your generated commands and the response from the device are displayed. And at the bottom of the window there is a status bar with small label on the left informing you about the current connection status, and a small LED on the right. It's just repeating the connection status. So when you're connected, LED is green. When you're not, the LED is red. And of course the label changes its caption when you get connected. So that's basically all the overview of the default window. In the next video, we're going to talk about schedules tab. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.